Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that red subscribe button and also ring that bell icon to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be heading to the highly requested Heaven Dimension. That's right guys, and I can definitely understand why you guys requested that I head to this dimension so many times, and it's because you guys love heaven, and I love heaven as well guys. And what is there not to love about heaven? Let's be honest guys, heaven has beautiful angels, beautiful scenery, and heaven's just beautiful overall guys. But what we're going to be using to head to the Heaven Dimension is we're going to be using 10 white concrete, we're also going to be using fur light blue concrete, and we're also going to be using a flint and steel guys, and that's all we're going to be using to head to the Heaven Dimension guys. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So the first thing we want to do guys, we just want to go ahead, grab our white concrete and place 2 of these on the ground, just like that guys. Now we just want to go ahead, grab our light blue concrete and place 1 of these on each side of our white concrete, just like that, right there guys. Wow, that's really starting to shape up guys. Now we just want to go ahead, run and jump on up, grab our white concrete and place 3 of these on this side, with 1 light blue concrete right on top. Now we can just go ahead and jump on down. That's the funnest part of this whole thing, guys. I love jumping off of that. But now we just want to go ahead and we want to place 3 white concrete on this side, and then 2 white concrete in the middle, and then 1 light blue concrete on the edge. Now we can just go ahead, run, and jump on down and take a look at our frame guys. That's exactly what our frame looks like guys. Wow, that looks amazing. That heaven frame looks amazing. So after we're done building the frame exactly like that, now we just want to go ahead, whip out our flint and steel and light this baby up. Boom! Wow! That looks even more amazing now that it's lit guys. Wow! That is so amazing guys. That is so amazing. But now it's time to head into the Heaven Dimension. This is going to be so amazing, especially if I get turned into an angel. Oh my God, guys. I knew heaven was beautiful. I did not know heaven was this beautiful, guys. Wow, take a look at all the angels. And oh my God, guys, they have gold halos and they also have beautiful white wings. I gotta start being good, guys. I gotta start being good so I can get my gold halo and also my beautiful white wings, guys. So I gotta start being the best I can be starting today, guys. I think I've been pretty good. Maybe not as good as I could have been, but today I'm saying to all of you guys, I am going to start being the very best I can be, guys. So hopefully one day I make it to heaven and I get my gold halo and my white wings. And hopefully when I make it to heaven, I see all of you guys in heaven, because I absolutely love every single one of you guys. And I definitely want to see you guys get your gold halos and also your white wings. But let's go ahead and finish checking out heaven, guys. And oh my God, they have a bridge. They have a bridge, guys. Wow, this is amazing. They also have a waterfall. Wow, guys, I absolutely love heaven, guys. Could you imagine, though, if that was like the youth waterfall, and like as soon as I hopped in it, like I turned into a baby? That would be so funny, guys. That would be so funny if I got turned into a baby. And oh my God, guys, They have two absolutely humongous gazebos. Oh my god, they have three humongous gazebos. Wow, guys, this must be where they like marry people. Wow, I would love to get married in heaven. I would absolutely love to get married in heaven. Wow, guys, I absolutely love heaven. And oh my god, guys, they have a humongous angel statue. Wow, guys, I want to take that home. I want to take that home, guys. Wow, I love this angel statue, guys. Wow, she has a gold halo, and she also has beautiful white wings, and she also looks beautiful, guys. Wow, I love this angel statue. Wow, I so wish I could take it home, guys. I so wish I could take it home. You know what? I'm just going to have to make heaven my new home. This is my new home, and these are my new friends, guys. I absolutely love heaven. I absolutely love heaven, and I also love having a bunch of friends. Wow, guys, it don't get better than this. It don't get better than this. Let's go ahead and let's check out this area, guys. And oh my god, this must be where they eat their lunch. Wow, I bet they eat lots and lots of good stuff, guys, like cakes and cookies and probably like chocolate milk. They probably eat and drink everything good, guys. And you know the greatest thing about it? Is they don't have to worry about getting cavities, guys. Nobody gets cavities in heaven. Nobody, guys. That's why I need to stay in heaven, guys. So I never get a cavity again. I can eat as much candy as I want, as much cake as I want, as much cookies as I want, drink as much chocolate milk as I want, and I will never get a single cavity, guys. That would be amazing. That would be so amazing. But wow, I absolutely love these giant gazebos, guys. Wow, I wish somebody would get married to me. I wish somebody would get married to me inside this gazebo, guys. You want to get married? I think she does, guys. You want to get married to me? You know what? I'm going to get married to her, guys. My pig is going to be my preacher. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to give her enchanted apple. That's so we, solidify our marriage. And then I'm going to kiss her. Boom, I gave her a kiss, guys. Now we're married. I am married, guys. I just got married to her just today. And now she's leaving. now she's walking away, but we're married. It doesn't matter, guys. It does not matter. We're married now. You know what? I'll go ahead and give you guys some enchanted apples as well because we're all friends. We're all friends, guys. There you guys go. Wow, I absolutely love heaven, guys. It is so beautiful. Wow, I'm speechless right now, guys. I am speechless. I'm probably never going to leave this dimension, guys. I'm going to stay in this dimension forever. I mean, I kind of have to now, since I did just get married to an angel, guys. Now I definitely have to stay in this dimension. And I mean, that's not a bad thing. I never want to leave this dimension, guys. I want to stay in this dimension forever with all of these angels. And I mean, I basically am an angel now because I got married to an angel, and you are what you marry. So now I'm an angel, guys. I'm an angel now. But definitely let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension down in the comment section below. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.